In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify a BloFin account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account. Then you want to go to the top right over here and hover over your profile icon, and you want to click on identification. Now, from here, it's going to take you inside settings where you can see it's KYC time, and you can go ahead and see basically all the benefits you get. Then scroll down, and you want to click on verify now. Now, when you do this, it's going to take you to a separate page where you can then verify your personal info, okay? So you're going to type in your personal information. It's going to be super simple here. There we go. As you can see, you have to press continue first. You have to agree and continue. Of course, you have to read the privacy notice and the, of course, personal data and stuff like that over here. And if you agree, click on the agree and continue button. And then from here, as you can see, you'll be able to here provide your identity document and then perform a liveness check, okay? So you can just go and basically click on start verification, but of course you have to type in your email over here, and you can of course get faster verification with some sub ID. It's up to you if you want to use this or not. If you don't, then you won't have to type in the email. So again, up to you, and then click on start verification. Now in here, as you can see, you're going to have to select the country you're issuing from and then the document type as well. So for example, ID card, and we're going to do a continue over here, or you could do continue on the phone, which is going to allow you to perform your KYC on the phone so we can take pictures of your documents, okay? Then when you press continue over here, you'll be able to upload your images, and then of course upload your front side and then your back side as well. And that's essentially all you have to do. Whenever you've done this, press continue, and you'll go basically to the verification process, which is going to take a little bit of time. Just follow the instructions on screen. Of course, I'm not going to upload this in because I don't want to leak my info, but it's pretty self-explanatory what you have to do here. Just upload in the documents, click on over here, click on your image, and then open. But if you want to take pictures, you could also go and continue on a phone and just follow the instructions in there. From there, you will be done, and of course your account will be verified once you are done with it, okay? That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.